Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Sadie wig by TressAllure in the color Deep Sepia. So this color is really pretty. It is a really nice sort of medium golden brown that has some caramel in it. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I mean. It's got a little bit of caramel brown, like a light auburn brown. And it also has some really nice medium auburn tints to it as well. So the overall effect, as I zoom out, isn't super auburn as much as it is a really lovely sort of nuanced chocolate brown. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see how Sadie looks on all sides, and then we'll talk shop. Okay, so Sadie is a 2.5 ounce wig. She has a 6.5 inch front that's definitely meant to be swept off the face. The crown down is 6.5 inches as well, and the nape is 3, so she's pretty short in the back. She's kind of a stacked bob, as you can see. You do get decent coverage back here. She does not have a lace front, but the front on this is still cut really cute, as you can see here. I think that's really beautiful, the way that this is shaped. She does have a bump it in the back for sure. As you can see when I turn to the side, she's definitely got that shape to her. But it's really cute with the way that the front is cut. And I still think this one looks really natural even without the lace front. It's just a really cute little bob. Very chic, very classic kind of cut. I'm going to go ahead and take Sadie off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Sadie has a standard cap, as you can see here. She's got a little tiny band of felt right here at the front hairline. She's also got closed lace here on the ear tabs, an extended lace nape. It's adjustable, a bit like a bra strap in the back. And then a little stretchy on the sides, not very stretchy in the back. This one definitely fits true to average. I'm going to go ahead and put Sadie back on for you now. Get plenty of hair with this one, that's for sure. And plenty of height here in the back. I love how this is cut. It's just really cute. Good job, Noriko Suzuki. So yes, this is a really cute little bob. Great little price on it too. This is the Sadie by TressAllure, and the color has been Deep Sepia, which is not a super dark brown. Instead, it's kind of like a nice, very dynamic chocolate brown. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews. If you have a moment, please be sure to check out our wig store, which is just www.CysterWigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.